Hi everyone, welcome to our channel How to Grow. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to fix download failed in Chrome problem in Android. To do that, you need to first go to the settings on your device. And on the settings page, you need to scroll down and find apps. Tap on apps, and on this page, you need to tap on app management. You can simply scroll down and find the Chrome browser, or else if you don't find in this way, then you can go back to the same app management page, and on top you can see the search bar. Tap on it and type Chrome, and here you can see that the application has already been shown here. Simply tap on it to get access on the app info page of Chrome. Now tap on permissions option here. Make sure you have allowed all the apps permission. If the app's permission hasn't been allowed, then tap on the particular application and tap on allow. On similar way, you can enable all the apps permission of Chrome browser. Once it is done, come back to the app info page again. Tap on data uses and make sure to allow the background data. Go back to the same app info page and tap on storage uses. Tap on clear cache. Once the cache has been cleared, you need to go back to the home screen of your device, and then you need to open Chrome browser. Now you need to tap on three dotted line on upper right corner and tap on settings on this expanded menu. When you reach on the settings page, scroll down and you can see the option of downloads on the bottom of the screen. Tap on downloads and make sure that the download has been selected to the internet storage. So you need to toggle on this option, ask way to save fast. So once it has been done, you need to once restart your phone because you might have problems on your phone itself. So once all the solutions has been done, you can easily fix the download fail in Chrome in Android. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.